Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ronnie, and if you're new here, thanks so much for coming by. And if you're returning, thanks so much for coming back to this video. So today is a very different video than I have filmed before. I film videos like this, just not by this brand. And I've been really interested in trying some of this brand's makeup, and I just never really had the chance to buy it because it's a very expensive brand, but I've been seeing really good things. And if you like this makeup look, I have done a tutorial on it. This one will probably go up before that video because it is a long video. Hopefully this one though won't be as long. So let me go ahead and kind of, oh, you know what? I think that's all right. Oh, so anyways, on to the video. So Jeffree Star had came out with some mystery boxes for summer 2019. I've always wanted to try some of his makeup. I don't think I've ever tried any of his makeup. So when I seen the mystery boxes, I got really excited and wanted to go ahead and get one. By the time I got to the website, it was like 10 minutes after one, and I think the biggest box had already sold out. I didn't really want to spend, $50, $70 on makeup and me not like it. And I haven't watched any reviews or unboxings of it. So I wanted to show what I got. This is the smallest box he was offering. It was $20. And this was the only thing that I ordered. So with shipping and taxes and everything, I think it came out to around $28. Now, you only got 3 items in this size. The next one up was, I think 5 items. And then the biggest one was 10 items. But the next to this like the medium box was $45, I believe, and the biggest one was $70. So I didn't really want to spend that kind of money and not like the items, but I decided to get this one, and I love the packaging. And just excuse it because when I opened it, it came like this, but when I tried to open it, I kind of tore it. But as you can see, there are the 3 items in here. I was hoping, to get like I don't know, something really nice, which I did, but what I ended up getting was a Jeffree Star pop socket. It's kind of bummed about that because, I mean, I really didn't want to get a pop socket, I wanted makeup, but I actually have been looking for a pop socket, so this should be fine. As you can see, I'm not taking it out of the package. And the other 2 items I got were lipsticks. Now, Jeffree Star is known for his gorgeous packaging. So right here's one of the lipsticks, and this is the other lipstick. We'll be doing swatches and try-ons of these as well. So the first one that I will be looking at is going to be the one in Scandal. I don't know what how much the pop socket is worth because it wasn't on the website. And these lipsticks were not on his website that I saw either. But the lipsticks like these were, I think, worth $18. So it's worth at least $36. So that's pretty good deal, I guess. But the first one I'm looking at, like I said, is going to be Scandal. Now, as you can see, it is sparkly. It is glittery. It is pink. It is gorgeous. I fell in love with this packaging. I was like, oh my god. So this is the Jeffree Star Velour Liquid Lipstick. So that's what it looks like. One, two, focus. There we go. So as you can see, gorgeous packaging, and I really did like it. And let me remove the lipstick that I have on now. Okay, there they are. And I mean, you got like some green packaging is what came in mine. There's no pamphlet or nothing like that. So I'm just going to remove the lipstick I have on now. I'm not going to be putting on any thing underneath it. But I'll be honest, when I got my box, it only came in, it said like up to a couple of weeks, I think. But mine shipped out and arrived, I think, less than a week after I ordered it. Because I ordered it the day it launched. And I got it Thursday? Yeah, I got it this past Thursday, and today is the 27th, so I got it really, really quick. And it did come all the way from California to Kentucky, where I live at. Okay. I think I probably took off a little bit more than lipstick. Alright, so we'll go ahead and do the... I lost it. There it is, there it is. It was just hiding. So, looks a little lopsided. So again, and it kind of smells to me, but I don't know if his lipsticks usually smell or not. But this is kind of like a dozed, or oh my gosh, a curved doe foot applicator. Are we not focusing? Okay. But this is the swatch. So that is the swatch. It's like a nudie pink type. It's gorgeous. This probably would look really, really pretty over that other lipstick I had. But I'll go ahead and try it on. Now, I don't know anything about Jeffree's lipsticks. I don't know if they're supposed to be really pigmented, kind of sheer. I don't know. I've never used any of his makeup, which is a shame, I know. Me. Okay. Clean my mouth up a little bit. So apparently you were supposed to shake this before use. What it says on this too. It says shake for 5 seconds. Apply to bare lids and let dry for 60 seconds. Smile. Ready for close up. So my bad. I didn't shake it up, but as you see now, shaking it up. Let's try this again. Ooh, I really like this color. Find me a better mirror than that one. It just sucked. So I'm just using my phone, but I really like it. I mean, I like the color. I think it would look really, really good over another color. I think this would be like a darker nude. This to me is a different color than what it looks like in here. In here it looks really sparkly and shimmery, but it's not. It's like a really matte pink, but I think it does darken to a point. I really like it. It's really comfortable too. That's the odd thing. It's really, really comfortable. But I'm going to go ahead and take this off and try to find me a different mirror. Okay. So I'll be right back. Alright, so I did find me another mirror, and it's just going to be from this. This is what I used for my eyeshadow look in my other video. Yeah, that's a real pretty color. So I'm going to go ahead. I'm just going to take it off and try on the other one. Again, there is. I'm just kind of leaving it on there so I can kind of see if it darkens or anything. Okay, so the next one that I'm going to be working with is the one in Medusa. And this one was one of those like wilder colors. And I cannot open it. Okay. Again, packaging. Gorgeous. Kind of like this packaging better than I do the other one. Just because I like a darker, frostier look. But, and you can't really feel the shimmer on here. But, this is the packaging. As you can see, it's a little bit darker down here than it is up here. So it's kind of like an ombre look. Not really like this one. This is just kind of like the same color all the way down. But this one you've got like a darkish purple blue. And it has an ombre look up through here. So I really like this packaging. It's gorgeous. Now for the swatch. There's that. I mean, it's pretty extreme, you know. You got like this light, beautiful, like dusty, dusky pink to like a bluish black purple. Neither one of them seem very shimmery. I like dark colors, but not necessarily this dark. But like I said, I am going to give it a try. Try not to get my fingers in here. And again, nothing's on my lips. Okay. Um, 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 I don't, I don't know. I just don't know about this look. Okay, so I'm going to let that dry like it says for about 60 seconds. Again, crap. Stuck my nail in one of my eyeshadows. Go ahead and put this up. Let this dry down. So as you can see, I did dip a couple of different times because to me, I wanted to bring the color, like make it kind of pop a little bit. I just don't know about it though. I mean, really, I just don't know about it. I think it would be really pretty as an eyeshadow. Once especially it dried down, I think it would be really nice because I do like dark eyeshadows. I don't, I don't like it as a lipstick color for myself personally. Maybe after I wore it a couple of times, you know, I might be alright with it, but I like the mystery box idea. I really do. And I will be putting the pop socket onto my phone, but I don't know. I really want to get some more of his makeup. I really, really do. I just don't like these dark colors for myself. Not unless it's like a purplish, kind of like a berry tone. This is very gothic, I guess, to me. Like 90s punk rocker chic or chic. I don't know. I like it, but the formula is really nice. I'll give it that. The formula is really, really nice. It's really lightweight. Um, it's not really. I don't know. I just don't know. But I hope you liked this video. I am going to probably order some Jeffree Star makeup. Probably. Hopefully in the next little bit. I don't know when. I'm trying to use up makeup that I've already got before I go out and buy a bunch more. But I would like to get some Jeffree Star makeup. Let me know what your favorite items from his are. You know, like eyeshadows, highlighters, whatever. This color, I mean, the longer I wear it, the more I kind of like it. So I think I'm going to leave it on. But like I said, hope you enjoy this video and see you in my next one.